Hi everybody, my name is Lee and welcome to this channel. I want you to be rich. In this video, I'm going to go through 5 ways that you can make money online in 2022. So these recommendations are not going to require you to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or work 5 years before you see any money. These 5 recommendations that I'm going to make are going to make you cold hard cash. These are legit jobs out there that you have to work on, and I picked those that are excellent for people who are camera shy and also people who are able to just talk to an audience. All you need is internet connection, an iPhone, and just your personality. If you're excited at this opportunity, please stay tuned because at the end I'm going to talk about a job that can make you $1,500 a month. And if you like this video, please click subscribe and click like below because that will help me to create more video for you. So let's get started to the first one that you can make money in the legit way and with cold hard cash, and you're paid every single Monday, and you're paid about $10 an hour just to have conversations with people. And this app is called Cambly. You wouldn't believe this, but there are a lot of people out there who are learners of, for example, English. So all you need to do is to speak English, and I suspect since you're watching this channel, you are an English speaker. And why do they want to speak English with you is because a lot of English speakers are learning it as a second language. They may have an accent, they may be going through an interview, or they might just want to tune up their English a little bit by speaking to somebody to maybe just calm their nerves, practice for an interview, or simply to improve their language skills. So if you check out Cambly, they pay about $10 an hour and you get paid every Monday, cold hard cash, just for sharing a conversation. And because Cambly is a worldwide app, everyone around the world has access to it. You can be working at night when it's somebody's morning, or when you're working in the morning for an hour speaking to somebody, it's somebody's nighttime. So it's very flexible. It really makes it easy for you to help someone out there to learn English and also earn some very good money. Check out Cambly if you like to share a conversation with somebody and just make some money on the side. Number 2, the second way to make money online is not just to do surveys, but also there is a review platform called Try My UI. It asks you to review an app or an application for the user interface, and it's about 20 minutes and you can easily make $10-20 from it. And if you put it back to back, theoretically you can make a few $100s a month just reviewing user interface. Because if you know, we complain so much about how difficult it is to sign up something or to go through the purchase in Amazon where we lose our shopping cart. So these are excellent ideas where you can help somebody who is building an app or an interface to give your feedback and get paid for it. And this is definitely legitimate because I think they pay every Friday, and the website link is right below. Another way to easily earn money is called the Adobe Affiliate Program. So basically, a lot of us out here who are editing photos, editing videos, or just, basically doing some touch-up, we're using Adobe, and Adobe Programs has an affiliate program where you tell your friends about their package, tell your friends about their Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop. So once you send their link and this friend buys a package from Adobe or like a subscription, you actually get a referral. It's not very difficult to copy a link, register, and then send it to a group of people, especially if you're in photography, architecture, or design. A lot of you will already be wanting to use Adobe for editing. For example, if you are in a digital nomad group and there are people who wants to pick up some skills to become a digital nomad, or like a video video editing skill, they definitely would want to look at Adobe. All they have to do is to share an affiliate link and they get some referral commission. And you'll be surprised how many millions of people out there who hasn't heard of Adobe and want to learn about Adobe because they're just starting to learn about making money online, and they want to learn how to make money online. And one of the making money online thing to do now is to help people edit their videos. A lot of stay-at-home moms want to pick up some skills, and all these people want to learn about Adobe, and they would have signed up anyway without your link. All you need to do is to provide them with some value, tell them what is Adobe, help them maybe with some registration in your community, for example, and maybe follow up with some support. Try to be different and send them a referral link. And if you're of value to anybody, people will definitely want to click on your link, and easily you get a referral fee. Affiliate marketing is legitimate because you're there to provide a value. So try out the Adobe affiliate program. I'm going to give a link below on their website. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid commission for this, but this is an excellent way to start earning money online. The fourth way to earn money online without a lot of complicated software or having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is to simply sell logos. And I know you would say I'm not a logo designer, but I'm going to tell you how you can create logos easily and help people and actually get on the internet and make money without a lot of training, because there's software out there. If you put a comment below or subscribe below, I'm gonna give you the link to this software where you can easily create simple logos and charge people and on this platform called Fiverr. And it's legitimate because there are videos showing how people have made at least $100,000 a month on Fiverr just giving services. But for the start, you might be just charging $5 to $100 for a logo. You can use this software, give people 5 to 10 type of different logos, and charge them $5 to $100. And if you want to know the access to this free software, which is online, give me a comment below. I'll link you up. So remember, you can create logos easily on Fiverr. Give it a try. And if you want to be different, think about some of the niche logo that people are not creating, and you will be one of the top seller on Fiverr. But somehow the most important thing is to get started, and once you make your first dollar online, you're gonna love it. The fifth way and the last way to make money online easily without having to build 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is something called Teachable. Teachable.com is a platform where you can sell online courses. So it's something like YouTube, but it's in a very systematic way. I personally have bought and paid money to Teachable just to learn something. You would say, why would people pay for something that they can get for free on the internet, they can watch for free on YouTube? It's very simple because Teachable is, for example, why I paid for Teachable, because Teachable is systematic. All the courses, I know it cover all the syllabus that I need to learn about that subject. It has videos that goes with it. I don't have to search for it or like on YouTube. I know that everything is there. Number 4, I get connected to the content creator. I get to ask some questions that I don't normally get on YouTube. And number 5, I simply wanted to click on something and get it done like this, because YouTube, I have to search on it. I don't know if the material is good. I don't know the content creator. I need to mix and match everything before I can fully get something. But on Teachable, all the videos are there. I save time. And I really like that on Teachable, at the end of it, they give you a certificate. So that was a very nice thing to have as well. So Teachable is something that you can try, and there is a secret to it. If you go all the way down below Teachable, you can actually see try Teachable for free, and you can make videos like what I'm doing now with my iPhone and upload videos on topics that you have researched on YouTube and you think is very popular, and upload it to Teachable, and then send a link to your community. For example, you can publish it on local newspaper, magazines, because traditional medium are still very effective advertisement medium for a certain group of people that are not fully online yet. They have grown up in the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, even the 90s. They didn't have internet access, and their buying habits are still not like what we do now on Amazon, and they will love to buy from you if they see something on the magazine or local newspaper they're looking at. Think outside of the box. Not everything is going online. There are people who enjoy and would pay extra and a premium just to see an advertisement on the newspaper, and obviously they will get onto Teachable. You can give some local support like a WhatsApp or hotline to help them. In that way, you differentiate yourself and you sell a course, and the most important thing is you'll be adding value to this person who is buying your course, and also enjoying the process of making your first dollar online. So I'm gonna sum up the 5 ways of making money online. So we're at the end of this video, the 5 ways of making money online easily without having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Number 1 is Camply, where you share a conversation with somebody. You make up to $10 an hour. You get paid every Monday. All you have to do is to be speaking a certain language. If you're watching this now, you're probably an English speaker. People will love to share a conversation with you because they might need to go for an interview and they're on nerves, and you can calm them down. Or they just want to learn a certain accent. They want to practice their English with somebody and they don't have time to go to a institution, and they just want to do it at home over a video. So you can earn money by Camply, number 1. Number 2 is to review a user interface on this called Try My UI. So you basically go through how you would use an app or user interface and give your opinion. And we have all signed up for apps and user interface. We have done Amazon purchases. So you just simply give your opinion and you get paid for it every Friday. Number 3 is the Adobe Affiliate Program. Very easy. Register and add value. Tell your friends and family what is Adobe program. Even set up some training for it. Tie it up with Teachable that I'm going to talk about. And then send a link just for signing up. People using your link, you get a referral. You get paid for Adobe from Adobe, and that's a very easy way to start growing your money online. Number 4 is creating a logo. Give me a comment. I'll give you that software access where you can easily get a logo software and design logo for people and put it on Fiverr and get your first dollar. You wouldn't imagine when I made my first dollar online, I was so thrilled. I knew from that day onwards my life would change, because once you make your first dollar online, you're gonna gain that confidence, and you'll be able to take your next step and the next step. But the first step is always the hardest. It's a lot of inertia. The most important thing is to get started. So creating a logo and then putting it on Fiverr. If you don't know what is Fiverr, click on the link below. Fiverr is a platform where people can buy your services for as low as $5, and there is a platform of review, and it gives the buyer confidence. It also helps seller and content creator sell their gigs. The last one is teachable.com, where you sell a teaching program. And the catch now is that I know a way to get it for free is to go all the way down below, and it says try this plan for free, and you can get Teachable, upload your course and sell it. And it can be how to use the internet. There are people with grandparents who are just learning to use the internet and they love this program, or how to get on Fiverr and make money. Basically, it's for you to be on video. And I know one 80-year-old man, he didn't like to be on video. He basically just set up a robot reading a bunch of letters and a picture, and he was selling the program for $600 US. He's a rabbi, and he did excellent job because a lot of people just wanted the content. They don't really care if you're speaking to the video. So if you're camera shy, you don't have to be in the video. You can type out the course and get a software to read it out and just upload it and sell it for a certain price that you think match the market demand. and you'll be making your first dollar online, and off you go, and you won't ever look back again to traditional form of making money. This is Lee signing off from I Want You to Be Rich. I hope you try some of these things out. Comment below and let me know how I can help you. I hope you make your first dollar online. See ya.